Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale is a 2002 50-horse Yamaha two-stroke, oil injected, trim and tilt. It's a 20-inch, so a long shaft, very clean Minnesota motor. Like I said, 20-inch, long shaft, 3-cylinder, great running motor, new water pump, new plugs, gone through, checked out. We'll fire it up here, run it. We'll run the fan to keep the exhaust out. Let it warm up a little bit, pump in good water. Your oil tank's on the top, so it's got a onboard oil tank. Tilt and trim on the control box. And then also you have a tilt and trim switch back here. A few scratches and stuff, but overall condition very nice. Forward. Neutral. Oops. Reverse. Do that again. Reverse. Turn it off. Fires right up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.